Hi, welcome. Today we're going to be taking a look at eFrame by SecondFloor, which is an easy-to-use, feature-rich, cloud-based Solvency II solution for Pillar 1 and 3. Now, the application supports the regular Pillar 3 supervisory QRT reporting, but it can also cater for all European national specific reporting. In addition, it caters for all Pillar 1 calculations, and it can even be extended to cater for your own internal model. Let's take a look. With eFrame, you'll never have to worry about installing a new taxonomy. They take care of that for you. Its homepage conveniently publishes the helpful updates related to the taxonomy and service, as well as the schedule for filing deadlines. Now, navigating eFrame is very intuitive. Activity is by entity, which can be configured to mirror your organization's hierarchy. The data items area is where all of the tasks occur, and all items are customizable to reflect your individual order or execution of filing tasks. Typically, this is in order of data input, calculations, reports, and outputs, but may also include additional items for SFCR narrative reporting. The area also displays the processing and approval statuses for each activity item. A corresponding Excel template exists for each input item in the data items area. Users can download these templates to feed data into eFrame, even linking the templates to their upstream data sources. The audit events area provides a clear trail of all activity in chronological order, and users can open the templates from here as part of the data feed and data remediation process. The templates include detailed validation checks as prescribed by the respective taxonomies. Blocking and non-blocking errors are highlighted with descriptions that are aligned to the taxonomy validation descriptions and providing easy navigation to the respective data points. Another valuable feature is the ability to look at the history of data input attempts. eFrame's comparison workbench allows users to select any two combinations of data load attempts and compare each version side by side. This is displayed in the familiar Excel template format, with this report displaying an overview as well as the detailed changes within the individual statements themselves. Pillar 1 calculation tasks are part of the package, but the tool can be customized to support internal model calculations too. The tool also includes non-SCR outputs, which are effectively reconciling calculations. So, for example, to derive balance sheet asset category balances from the list of assets. Users can calculate individual items or run all calculations with a single click of a button. Once all data inputs are completed and calculations run, it's time to analyze the results. The Excel report book report landing page gives the user a really useful dashboard overview and helps them review and quickly gauge whether or not the data appears reasonable. The book additionally includes a comprehensive list of all validation checks. All relevant templates are also included in the report. eFrame requires a review and approval from at least 2 different users. As soon as the second approval is provided, the respective XBRL file is automatically generated for the filing. SecondFloor makes a point of knowing all the little quirks between regulator portals, which cuts off the additional time that users will typically spend addressing all those little nuances. And finally, eFrame caters for the specific statements that are required for the SFCR. Tasks can be configured in the Data Items tab, and downloading an item will open the SFCR in Word, which will then be pre-populated with the statements in a ready state for the overlay of the narrative. So in summary, eFrame by SecondFloor can be used across the entire European Solvency II market. The full taxonomy history is retained within the system, and insurers can even prepare resubmissions on prior taxonomies. It's all about the little details, such as the guidance on the landing page, the way that tasks are organized within the publishing events window, the easy access to the audit logs, and the presentation layer within the Excel reports. That's what makes for a really intuitive user journey. Visit us on DemoCentre.io to learn more about eFrame and to book yourself in for the next demo. Thanks for watching.